Each server contains base components such as CPU, RAM, hard drive, or motherboard. In order to manage your inventory in the data center more efficiently, you need to assign the appropriate parts to the servers. Each part of the server is a single item with unique properties. In order to add a new item to the system and automatically assign it to your device, the best option is to go to the Parts section in the device's summary view and then select Quick Create Part. The form will allow you to specify such data as the type of the item in the Select Part Type field and its model in the Select or Create Part Model field, as well as indicate the label and serial number. Additionally, you can define how many parts you want to create and assign to the device in the quantity box. You can also assign existing parts to the device. In order to do it, enter the Assign Existing Part form. Then, search for the parts you're interested in, such as the processor, hard disk, or RAM, and save the changes. Please note that the system lists available parts only. Such a procedure prevents incorrect assignment of a part that is already in use. All added items are listed in the Search Inventory list, accessible in the Infrastructure section. Parts can be freely unassigned, upon which they'll change the status in the inventory from in use to available. This is designed to enable the use of a particular part in another device. You can also completely remove the part from the system. This solution should be used if the part is no longer located in your data center and you don't want to use it in the future.